بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In life, we should love people and use things, but we use people and love things. If you do not step forward, you will remain in the same place. Memories are simply moments that refuse to be ordinary. Some people are so important in our life, not because we enjoy their company, but because we feel so lonely in their absence. Don't be that serious about your life. It's just a play. Don't rush into love because even in fairy tales, the happy ending takes place on the last page. Be grateful for every second of every day that you get to spend with people you love. Life is so very precious. Our responsibility is to do what we can, learn what we can, improve the solutions, and pass them on. Disconnecting from our technology to reconnect with ourselves is absolutely essential for wisdom. Accomplishments will prove to be a journey, not a destination. Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own actions. True love doesn't have a happy ending because true love never ends. Getting go is one way of saying, I will love you forever. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel.